My name is Michael Lim. I work for the Westin Group, including Westin Pumps. I do many different roles, but my chief role is administration and quality. Westin Pumps is primarily in the marine sector. We sell and repair pumps. We also do stuff for industry as well. We do some land-based stuff. What is now Westin Pumps began about 50 years ago in the mid-70s. It became Westin Pumps about 2 years ago when Westin Group acquired it. Well, the big milestone that Westin Pumps experienced was when they were taken over by the Westin Group, as I've mentioned. That was about 2 years ago, fully integrated now within the company structure. What that's meant is that Westin Pumps can collaborate with the other companies in the group, because we share premises, which has helped streamline the operation and make it far more efficient. Prior to adopting Access FactoryMaster, we were using an old DOS-based system, which caused us real difficulties in training our employees and was very, very inflexible as it did not integrate with our existing systems. Access FactoryMaster has helped us to integrate seamlessly because it's Windows-based, and it's speeded up our ability to track our order progress, which has helped immensely with our customer satisfaction. We wanted to use FactoryMaster to leverage its flexibility mostly, with the aim of increasing our operational efficiency and therefore our customer satisfaction by being better able to track customer orders. Our favourite feature of Access FactoryMaster is the hotkey function, which allows us to open several windows at once, which increases our productivity hugely and enables us to function on more critical tasks. The most interesting part of FactoryMaster that we derive the most benefit from, we feel, is the freight line on the invoice. That allows much better visibility and transparency for our customers as to what we're charging for. The support's been top class. We receive really good updates, guidance and best practices, and the training and consultancy is exactly what we need to progress. Access FactoryMaster has helped us deliver strong ROI with measurable financial benefits. We plan to grow and to deliver top-class service to our customers. Access FactoryMaster will certainly help us in that because it's our primary system for interfacing with customers and meeting their demands. Our experience of using Access FactoryMaster has been excellent. Its many functions really help us to improve our business productivity and efficiency. Access FactoryMaster for us is an essential daily tool relied upon to do our work. I would unreservedly recommend it. The flexibility of the program and the features and the backup are top class.